I'm a fool for your love.
What's up? It's Nevaeh here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a very highly requested video. Basically in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my tips for filming and editing. I was like writing some down during school yesterday, so I hope you guys hold up, pause. So here are some times if you guys want to skip to certain parts if you're curious about certain things so you guys don't get bored, you know. Like this video and find it helpful. If so, give it a great big thumbs up, subscribe, follow on social medias, you know the drill by now. But anyway, let's just go ahead and hop right into the video. So I'm going to show you guys the equipment that I use. So the camera that I use is the Nikon D3300. It is really good. I've had this. It's probably like my first official camera. I've had this for about 2 years now and I love it a lot. The lens that I have with it is the Nikkor 35mm 1.8G. It's really good. It literally looks like a 70D and I love it.
You wanna know?
The tripod that I use is available on CX, yeah, those numbers. I don't know, Pop-Up got this for me for Christmas a couple years ago and I love it. It hasn't broken yet, so it means it's pretty good. The microphone that I use is the Rode microphone. It is really good. I like it. I tell a difference. I've gotten this like 2 months ago, so I don't know. I don't have experience with it, but it's pretty good. The lights that I use are the Lemo Studio box lighting, and I usually just use one light with natural lighting. That's usually how I film because one light is pretty bright, and I like these lights. The computer that I have is the 2017 MacBook Pro, but without the touch bar. I like it a lot. It's really good, and I use Final Cut Pro, and there's a lot of perks about it. I like it personally, so yeah. And the voiceover microphone that I'm using at the moment is the Blue Snowball microphone. I like it a lot. As I'm saying, I like all my equipment, but it's pretty good. So tip number 1 for filming is to play with your exposure and just your settings in general. I have this exact same camera with the exact same lens, but this video obviously is still very bad. And then I finally played around with my settings and my exposure, and my videos finally turned out like this, and I was like, what? Like, it literally looks like I have a 70D when I don't. I have a Nikon. So just make sure you guys are playing with your settings and exposure because literally that makes a huge difference. It can literally look like you have a whole new lens. My second tip is basically to stabilize and slow down a clip. So stabilizing is something that I'm pretty sure all of us know. If you guys don't have stabilization within your editor, honestly just slow it down and I'm sure it would look exactly the same. But slowing down a clip and stabilizing it pretty much helps it to look like a full-on professional clip that you have like a whole steady cam on for. It's really nice and sort of just gives you a nice, slow, really stable and just smooth. It's so pretty. I don't know. My third tip for filming is to basically use multiple camera angles. So if you guys can't get someone to film, all you have to do is just move around your tripod way more. I'm sure you guys already heard this tip before, but it definitely keeps the viewer kind of intrigued into your video. Like if you just have one camera angle, it just gets super boring. It makes them want to click out of the video. It is a lot more work, but I promise that it pays off at the end. My fourth tip for filming is just to practice. Practice makes perfect, and I know that's so cliche, but literally it does. Ever since I started, why is my voice like this? I have something in my throat. Ever since I started at my art school and I'm in film, I've just been getting a lot of practice, and I feel like it's sort of helped. So just practice in your free time, especially if you guys want to do YouTube for a while or if you guys really enjoy it and it's your hobby. Practicing is obviously going to make perfect, so practice. And other tips I just wanted to voice over are to make sure you guys are checking your analytics daily. Make sure you guys have pretty intriguing thumbnails. Tag your videos, upload as frequently as possible, and just take your time and have fun with YouTube. Make friends and just enjoy it because it's a very enjoyable hobby. I love it and I love all of you, and yeah.
Singing 'cause it's over. Yeah.
When it comes to filming my videos, Nanny usually films most of my moving shots. She's been filming my moving shots for pretty much almost 2 years. And like I said before, if you guys like can't get someone to film you, just use multiple angles with tripod. Usually my filming takes me like 1 to 3 days. It depends on what video it is. Like if it's a sit down video, it literally takes me like 1 hour done, start editing it. But if it's like more of a video like this video has taken me 3 days to film. And I always love planning location, planning some shots. This really helps me more for like the complicated videos like this that I don't know how I'm gonna put it together.
If you want it, we can get right to it.
I like to edit start from finish, which means like I like to edit the intro. Like I like to edit in chronological order. Is that it? Yeah. I like to edit start to finish just because that helps me personally. I don't like to skip certain things, and I don't know, that's just a tip of mine, to edit start to finish. I feel like it just kind of helps you more. But if you don't have some certain shots but you want to start editing, go right ahead. Honestly, when it comes to editing, a lot of you guys say, how do you do this, how do you do that? I honestly don't know. I sit down, I import all my clips, and I literally just get in this creative mindset and I just go and start editing. And I have my personal style. My top tip is just to have your personal style. Try to find your personal editing style. I have like the chill and the fast glitchy pace. I have pretty much my style is just a bunch of them combined, but it always depends on the video. And honestly, when it comes to editing, don't copy anybody else. You just need to follow your personal style. That's like my huge tip. Like when people ask me, I'm just like, I honestly don't know how I edit. One thing I will say is to take your time. Please don't rush editing, because when you take your time with editing, trust me, you're gonna be super proud of it and your subscribers are gonna notice it a lot as well. That's pretty much it for editing. I have my little thing here, and I don't know, that's pretty much it. I'm sorry the editing part probably didn't help that much, but hopefully the other tips helped. I hope you guys like this video. I will do more of these videos this year if you guys want. So if there's any other YouTuber videos that you guys want to see, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys.